whatever. I told her. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey, and right now we are on our way to Santa Barbara. I'm with Ashlyn, my friend from high school, and then my college roommate, Kat, who's my current roommate now. And we left San Francisco at like 6 a.m. It's 9:30 now. Been on the road for like 3-ish hours, and then we're gonna stop at San Luis Obispo for lunchy lunch, and then get on our very ways. So enjoy watching. In a very bougie SB neighborhood, and we're going to the Hot Springs Trail. We are on this beautiful hike, and yeah. Guys, so this trail is in the middle of a suburban neighborhood, so it's like no trail, but it's pretty. Just a bit confused. The sweat. Okay, on we go. It says it's like 0.7 miles, but it feels like forever because of what? Oh, baby lizard. But it feels like forever, so yeah.
All uphill.
Yep. This 20-minute walk turned into like an hour because we don't know where the fuck we're going. So many people have given us different directions, and I feel like they're just trying to keep it top secret and giving us false directions, but yeah, I don't know. Found the second trail. Very high elevation. Where these girls are behind me. I'm low-key over this hike, but I can't wait to get in the water. That smells like poop. Yeah. We made it. So I am at the hot spring. It's awesome. So we finished up at the hot springs, and it was amazing. And now we're hiking in bikinis, which I've never done before, but it's fun. Yes. We got fish tacos from this cool Mark place. Oh look, it's so nice. Yes. Eating in the car because there's no seating outside. Mine looks curvy.
It's actually pretty beautiful.
Okay. Take your bite. Okay. Can you pull down my mask? Thank you. and took a big old poopy, and now it's 8:30.
You're not posting.
I am posting this. And she woke up, and the little thing is still sleeping. Hi guys, so it's the next day, and I know I didn't film at all on this camera just because we're going to a hot spring, but also I didn't film in the Airbnb because it was interesting. We're outside of it right now, and we left and we checked out, but it was just an interesting Airbnb. Yeah, there was a sweet pup.
Sweet dog.
Sweet pup.
That was comfortable, but
Update, I chipped off all my nails like I always do because I don't know why. It's like a tick. But anyway, last day in Santa Barbara, and we're just gonna go to brunch, get some seafood, go to the beach, and try to hit up Big Sur later. So yeah, let's go. We are in Santa Barbara. Can't you tell? Look at all those babes playing volleyball. I love the palm trees. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah. Look at all those chickens. After a 2-hour wait. Yum! Oh wait, this is sour cream. I thought it was an egg. Post brunch changing.
struggle is real.
Dilf. Wow, my skin looks really good.
State Route 154, State Street.
Beautiful little rest area. Yay. Stopped alongside Highway 1, and we are looking at the, what are these called? Elephant seals. And look at them! Do you see them? Let me zoom out. Look at these little, where?
Over here, they're cuddling.
Yeah, those. Hi, look at these babies. Oh my god.
They love each other. Cat's taking selfies, and look at this beautiful view. California, baby! Guys, this is like the most beautiful thing ever. I'll show you guys.
Are we seeing this? Are we seeing that? What? So pretty.